Hi, I'm Fran with Stampendous, and I wanted to show you some of the wonderful house mouse designs that Ellen has created, and there's such beautiful detail to them. So when you get the stamps in the cling option, in the package like this, you can see all the little dots that make up the design, and the other ones here with all that texture of the coffee bag on this one. But let's look at a couple of ways that you may enjoy coloring them. And here's a couple of them that were done with the really soft colors of color pencil, which works quite nicely for soft pastels. And they're really easy to color because so much of the detail is already there in all of the little dots that do the shading and everything. Then there's a couple more over here where sometimes there's a combination of things that you want to use. Maybe you do a little bit of detail work with your Copic markers or your color pencils, but then you can use our Picasso stencil perhaps to do clouds in the background, or some other watercolor washes for the background areas, and it still is in keeping with all of those soft pastel colors. These cards were done by a variety of different people on our design team, and you can see a lot of different fun color applications and Copic markers, and they really come to life when you get them colored with all of their different antics that they're up to. And the Copic markers are a wonderful way to get translucent and beautifully blended colors. For backgrounds, you can see that this design used one of our new 6x6 patterns in the background, but in a pastel color you get a very interesting, just a nice pattern back there. And this one looks like it was done with the texture cube, creating a whole pattern of coffee splashes. But it's just very fun to see how interesting, with some bits of color added to the coffee sack there, it all just really comes to life and is very fun. So whatever medium you enjoy working with, the House Mouse designs are wonderful stamps to enjoy stamping and coloring.